Hello friends, welcome to TextileDCL. In this home automation project, we will control the 8 home appliances using the Bluetooth and from the manual switch with ESP32. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, I have just used ESP32 and the relay module for this project, and to control this lamp manually, you can use your existing switchboard or you can also use push button. This ESP32 chip has inbuilt Bluetooth, so we can easily control this ESP32 from any Bluetooth app. I have designed this app for this project. You can download it from the description. First, let me control this lamp from the manual switches. As you can see, I can easily turn the lamp on and off from the manual switches. Now let me control it from this Bluetooth app, which you can download from the description. You can see all lamp turns on. Let me turn off all the lamps, and I can also control each lamp from these buttons. And now let me turn off the lamp one by one. So thus you can easily control any home appliance using this app from the smartphone. Now we can also include the Wi-Fi control in this project, but I will cover that in my upcoming videos, where you can control this 8 home appliance using Bluetooth, manual switch, and also from the Blink app using Wi-Fi. But in this project I will mainly focus on the controlling home appliance using Bluetooth and from the manual switches. So let's get started. To make this project, you just need ESP32 and a 8-channel relay module, and to control the appliance manually, you can use your existing switchboard or you can also use push button. Now you have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. As you can see, the circuit is very simple. You can easily connect the ESP32 with the relay module as per this circuit, and I have not used any pull up register to connect these switches, as I have used input pull up function in the code, so no register required to connect this switch. And if you want to use push button, then you can refer this circuit. Instead of switch, you can just connect push button with the ESP32. This is the code for this project. You can download the code from our website IoT Circuit Hub. Just visit the article. You can download the code from this download button. I will share the link in the description. Now with this code, you can control 8 home appliances with the Bluetooth and the manual switches. I will include the Wi-Fi part in the upcoming videos, but here we are not using any Wi-Fi connection, so you don't have to provide any Wi-Fi credential in this code. If you refer the same circuit, then you can directly upload the code to the ESP32 board. But before uploading the code, you have to copy these two URL, then go to File, Preference, then paste the URLs here. After that, you have to download and install ESP32 board. You can refer this link or you can go to Tools, Board, Boards Manager. Then here search for ESP32. You have to download and install this board. I have already installed it. After that, you have to install the Bluetooth serial library for ESP32. For that, you have to go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. Then search for Bluetooth serial, and then you have to install this library. We have to install another library, that is AC button, ACE BUTTON, and you have to install this library, and you can also refer this link to download and install the library. After installing all the libraries, now we can upload the code. For that, go to Tools, select the DoIt ESP32 Dev Kit V1 board and the proper port, then hit the upload button. Now if you see this type of connecting text, then just press the boot button of ESP32 and you can see the uploading started. Now let me quickly explain the code, how the code works. So I will directly go to the void setup, and here first we are defining the baud rate 9600. Then we are giving the ESP32 underscore BT name to the Bluetooth. After that we are defining the input output pin, and here I have used the input pull-up function, so you don't need to connect any pull-up register with the push button or switches. Now if I go to void loop, in the void loop first we are checking if any data available at the Bluetooth terminal, then we are calling this Bluetooth underscore handle function, and if we turn on and off any switch then it will come to this block of code, and then with the button handler function we can control the respective relay. Now let me go to this Bluetooth handle function. Now with this function we are controlling the relay module with Bluetooth. So here first we are reading the data received in the Bluetooth terminal and storing it to bt underscore data variable. Then we are comparing the data received from the Bluetooth terminal. If it is capital A, then we will turn on the relay 1. If it is small a, then we are turn off the relay 1. As I am using active low relay module, so to turn on the relay I have to send low, and to turn off the relay I have to send high. In similar way, if it is capital B, then turn on the relay 2. If it is small b, then turn off the relay 2. So in this way I am controlling the 8 relays. And if it is capital Z, then we are calling this all switch on function, and here you can see with this all switch on function we are turning on all the relays one by one, and with this all switch off function we are turning off all the relay one by one. Now to send this character using Bluetooth, I have designed an app in MIT App Inventor. This is the app I have designed for this project. Now with this app, if you tap on the on button of switch 1, then if I go to block, then you can see it will send capital A. If you tap on the off button of switch 1, it will send small a. So in this manner, if you press any of the button, it will send a respective character to the Bluetooth terminal, and ESP32 will receive that character and accordingly control the relay module. I will share this complete block diagram in the article for better understanding, and you can also download the APK file of this app from the description and install it in your phone. Now if you are using push button instead of manual switches, then you have to refer this code. I will also share the download link for this code in the description. After uploading the code, I have connected these 8 lamps with the relay module as per this circuit diagram, and I will use this mobile charger to give 5 volt supply to ESP32. Now let me turn on the supply. Now you have to install the Bluetooth app which you have downloaded from the description. So I will go to file manager, tap on APK, and this is the Bluetooth app, Bluetooth underscore switch v1.apk. I will tap on it and tap on install. Now as I have not submitted this app to Google Play Store, so this notification will come. So I will tap on install anyway. Now tap on open. So this is our app. Now we have to pair the ESP32 with the Bluetooth. So I will turn on the Bluetooth. Then I will search for the new device, and you can see this is our Bluetooth name, ESP32 underscore BT. I will tap on it and then tap on pair. After pairing the ESP32 BT, I will go to the Bluetooth switch app which we have just installed, and now I will tap to connect, and I have to tap on this ESP32 BT. Now it's showing connected. After connecting this app with the ESP32, we can easily control the lamp from this app. So to turn off all the lamp, I have to tap on this button, and we can also individually turn on lamps and also turn off the lamps. So thus you can easily control this 8 lamp from this Bluetooth switch. Now let me control it from this manual switch. So thus you can easily design this project, and without using Wi-Fi you can control this 8 home appliance using mobile phone and a manual switch. And you can also join our Telegram channel Tech Study Cell. I do upload different circuit diagram with all the details in this channel. I will share the link in the description. Now if you like this project, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.